Right from the beginning, I was convinced that we don't have any silver bullet, but nutrition education in school is extremely important. As a father of 3 kids, I know how much it's important to literally educate kids on the most important fundamental skill, which is preparing food, cooking your own meal, and doing that regional, local, and fresh and seasonal. And therefore, the chef's approach of combining practical cooking courses with a backpack that is unique and a hybrid recipe platform that empowers teachers and schools to run these courses independently and ultimately make the little chefs that cook ambassadors for good nutrition. And we know it's not a kid's problem alone, it's a family issue, and in particular low socioeconomic income groups are suffering from malnutrition, including and not limited to obesity, but also micronutrient deficiencies. And what that means for the body is clear. You are not performing in life as you could, and you are not realizing your opportunities. So what convinced me, and I think what also I brought to the table for the chefs, was a clear hybrid impact strategy, that this model needs to be scalable, needs to be sustainable, but at the same time we must not lose sight that the most disadvantaged schools and the most disadvantaged population groups are those who need this most. So how can we kind of really bring a sustainable financial idea with a social impact business to the broader base of the pyramid in the US and empower in particular those groups which need it most.